How to make your TikTok account public. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make your TikTok account public, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've privated your TikTok account and now you've decided on making it public, it's very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply go in and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the bottom right to come to this profile page. You can tell that I have a private account if you see the private account label right under your name on the TikTok profile page. So if you want to make it public, it's very simple. Tap the three lines option here and then go to settings and privacy option. When you go to settings and privacy, over here you'll be able to find this option known as privacy. Make sure to tap on it, and at the very top you can see the toggle next to private account is actually turned on. So if you'd like to make it public, all you have to do is just turn off this toggle, and then you can see it says switch to public account. So tap on switch option and your TikTok account will be successfully public. This way you can basically make your TikTok account public. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.